Why didn't we think of it before, lad? The solution to all our storage problems. Simply by connecting the bun vac to the mind manipulation-o-matic, we can brainwash the bunnies. Rabbit rehabilitation. Once cured of their antisocial veg-ravaging behavior, the rabbits can be safely released without fear of reoffending. Just a little added lunar power to enhance the mind waves. And we can begin. Veg bad. Veg bad. Veg bad. Say no to carrots, cabbage and cauliflower. Well, come on, lad. What are you waiting for? Turn on the bun vac. Full suction.